how to get Dazn or Dazn on Samsung Smart Television. I'm going to tell you how to get Dazn on your Samsung Smart TV. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Then, press the home button on your remote and open the Samsung App Store. In the search bar, type Dazn. If it shows up, click install and wait for it to finish. Once installed, open the app, log in with your Dazn or again Dazn account or create one if you're new, and you're good to go. But here's the thing, not all Samsung Smart TVs support Dazn, especially older models or ones without the operating system. If you search for Dazn and it doesn't appear at all, your TV probably isn't compatible. In that case, the best solution is to use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast with Google TV.